Hi everybody, Matt with the Hoof and Vine Group here, Cascade, Sotheby's International Realty. Today we're going to be looking at 4459 Old Stage Road just outside of Jacksonville in Oregon. This property consists of almost 6 3/4 acres, 3 acres of water rights, a landing pad for your helicopter, plenty of room for your toys. Let's go take a look. As soon as you enter the home, you're struck by the size of this room. It's a family room, kitchen combined. Beautiful chef's kitchen, clearly designed for entertaining, as well as stunning views from your dining room. So on the ground level, we do have another massive bedroom with its own ensuite. Let's take a look. In addition, on the main floor, we do have a laundry room, half bath, as well as a door leading to the main garage and downstairs. Pretty cool garage. You can house all your toys, cars, collectibles, as well as a pool room handles all the filtration for your outside pool. Not only do you have a lot of room upstairs, 6-car garage, but you also have downstairs, a place to house your helicopter as well as more toys. The second story of this 7,700 square foot home consists of the primary. Amazing ensuite, as well as laundry room, 2 additional bedrooms, media room, game room, and a wet bar. The upstairs primary has a large ensuite, walk-in shower, as well as a large walk-in closet. As we make our way east, we have a large office here, as well as 2 additional bedrooms. At the far east wing of this house, we have the media room, game room, as well as an entertainment area with a wet bar. In addition to nearly 7 acres of property, we've got a pretty amazing in-ground pool. Views of the valley again. Previous owner had a passion for helicopters and built a helipad, push it into the shop. Again, we're at 4459 Old Stage Road here in Central Point. This is one of the reasons I love being an agent in Southern Oregon. An amazing home, amazing views, amazing spot. If you want to take a tour of this amazing property, give me a call.